morning, Facebook. Here we are in Irvine, California. This project that we got going on here. It's hot out here today, but let me turn this around. Just kind of give you guys an update on the progress that we made yesterday. As you're aware, we were pulling up carpet, going to install wood in that whole second floor area. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So we didn't touch this yet, but there's our wood. Got all the carpet off of this. All the carpet is gone. We pretty much got the floor prepped. So, just show you guys. Everything's already been scraped, all the staples, nails, everything. Show you the master bedroom. It's all been prepped. It's all ready to go. So, a little undecided today if we're going to start doing our stair treads or if we're going to start installing up here, but as soon as we figure it out, do another video, I'll show you guys what the progress is. Everybody have a good day.